Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and I hope and pray that you and your families are doing absolutely fine and everything is okay at your end. So today's video is all about the Nykaa haul. I did end up doing a little bit of shopping during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, the biggest sale which happened on Nykaa, which was on up till 28th of November and then it was extended up until 30th of November. फाइनली नायका की पिंक फ्राइडे सेल खत्म हो गई है। सेल के दौरान मैंने भी थोड़ी बहुत शॉपिंग करी है। दिस इज व्हाट आई शॉप फॉर। इस बार मैंने बहुत ही कॉन्शियसली बहुत थोड़ी सी शॉपिंग करी है। आपने मेरा नायका सेल रिकमेंडेशन वीडियो देखा होगा, तब उसमें मैंने आपको बताया था कि प्लीज़ डोंट फील द प्रेशर, डोंट गेट प्रेशराइज्ड इनटू शॉपिंग जस्ट बिकॉज ये डील अच्छी है, इस पे इतना डिस्काउंट है, बाय 2 आइटम्स गेट द थर्ड वन फ्री। सारे ऑफर्स इतने टेम्पटिंग हो जाते हैं एंड बहुत बार हम बेफजूल शॉपिंग कर लेते हैं और शायद हमें उन चीज़ों की ज़रूरत भी नहीं होती है। और हर बार मैं एकदम एक्साइटमेंट में बहुत सारी शॉपिंग करती थी, तो इस बार मैंने बहुत कॉन्शियसली और बहुत माइंडफुली बहुत ही थोड़ी शॉपिंग करी है। मैंने बस वही चीज़ों की शॉपिंग करी है जिन चीज़ों की मुझे ज़रूरत थी। मैंने कोई बैकअप नहीं लिया है, मैंने कोई स्टॉक अप नहीं किया है। सो लेट्स डाइव इनटू माय वेरी माइंडफुल स्मॉल शॉपिंग हॉल। आई हैव पिक्ड अप थिंग्स दैट आई रियली नीडेड, थिंग्स दैट आई वांटेड टू टेस्ट आउट। सो नाउ let's get started. The very first beauty product that I want to share with you is this eyeshadow stick from K Beauty. अगर आप मेरा चैनल फॉलो कर रहे हो तो आपको ज़रूर याद होगा कि कुछ महीने पहले मैंने K Beauty से 2 eyeshadow sticks ऑर्डर की थी. There was a green color and a purple color. The green one I really liked और मैं उसे बहुत यूज़ करती हूँ. I love the formula. Everything is superb about that eyeshadow stick. तो उस वक्त मुझे ये पर्पल कलर का eyeshadow stick रिटर्न करना पड़ा and Nykaa very kindly took in the return. मेरा मनी भी रिफंड हो गया था एंड द रीज़न आई रिटर्न इट बिकॉज उस पर जो एक्सपायरी डेट थी वो ऑलमोस्ट 2 मंथ्स के अंदर एक्सपायर होने वाला था। सो डेफिनेटली आई वुड नॉट बी एबल टू यूज़ अप दैट प्रोडक्ट इवन हाफ वे थ्रू। सो मैंने तो ऑलमोस्ट होप छोड़ दी थी बिकॉज ये वाला पर्पल कलर दैट इज़ द एमेथिस्ट शेड वॉज ऑलवेज आउट ऑफ स्टॉक एंड समहाउ सेल टाइम पे मुझे ये इन स्टॉक दिखा तो मैंने ये वाला शेड पिकअप किया विच इज़ द एमेथिस्ट एंड दिस नेवी ब्लू विच इज़ कॉल्ड नेविगेटर। I'm going to show you what the inside looks like. तो ये इनकी standard cardboard packaging है and the pencil is right inside. This is what the pencil looks like. So this is what the amethyst pencil looks like and again it's in a crayon format. So this is what it looks on the inside. I'm going to give you a quick swatch. It is a beautiful plum purple. You wouldn't call it a purple color, it is more of an aubergine color. So really nice, very buttery and I'm very excited to use this one. मैं बहुत टाइम से इंतज़ार कर रही थी कि ये कलर स्टॉक में आए और मैं इसको लूँ। And the other color is Navigator. It is a dark navy blue. This is what it looks like. They're supposed to be metallics but I don't think they're completely metallics. And this is what the navy blue looks like. What a pretty color. I'm really excited to use this क्योंकि मैंने इस crayon format में उनका green color use किया है and I loved it so much. That is the reason I decided to go for 2 more colors और मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी डील मिल रही थी. So I went ahead and I picked up these 2 colors. Also उससे भी बढ़िया बात है कि ये जो क्रेयॉन स्टिक्स है इनकी जो शेल्फ लाइफ है, द एक्सपायरी डेट इज समवेयर इन 2024. सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू एक्सपेरिमेंट विद दीज आई शैडो स्टिक्स. आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू प्ले अराउंड विद दीज एंड दिस हैज मेड मी वेरी हैप्पी. अब बढ़ते हैं दूसरे प्रोडक्ट की तरफ एंड दैट इज this shampoo from Nykaa. It is in the variant apple cider vinegar and ginger. Now this really is my repurchase. मैंने इससे पहले भी यही शैम्पू खरीदा था फ्रॉम नायका एंड आई लव्ड इट सो मच. इट परफॉर्म्ड सो वेल. मैंने ये वाला शैम्पू रीपरचेज किया है बिकॉज मेरा जो एग्जिस्टिंग शैम्पू है वो ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म हो चुका है. आई रियली लव्ड दिस शैम्पू. जब मैंने ये शैम्पू पहले खरीदा था मुझे इससे बिल्कुल उम्मीद नहीं थी बट आई वॉज प्लेजेंटली सरप्राइज. मैंने ये शैम्पू इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस इसीलिए खरीदा था बिकॉज मैं किचन में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम रहती हूँ तो मेरे सर में जो स्वेट है वो बहुत बिल्डअप हो जाता है एंड ऑफ लेट मेरे स्कैल्प में बहुत सारा डैंड्रफ जैसा फ्लेकीनेस होने लगा था. आई वॉज गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ बिल्डअप और मेरी जो स्कैल्प है वो बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लेकी होने लगी थी That is the reason I got it, mainly because of the apple cider vinegar in it. And when I used it, फर्स्टली ये शैम्पू बहुत ही जेंटल है और यूज़ करने के बाद आई कुड फील द डिफरेंस. माई स्कैल्प फेल्ट क्लीन, squeaky clean. In fact, it did not make my scalp extra dry. My hair on the contrary started feeling softer. Yes, I still do suffer from a lot of hair fall. उसमें तो कुछ भी difference नहीं आया है. Hair fall वहीं का वहीं है, but definitely my head is feeling so much cleaner. It feels so much lighter. Hair and my scalp feel so much fresh. तो अगर आप regularly gym जाते हो, if you go for a walk or you're going for your running, या आप घर में kitchen में बहुत time तक गैस के पास टाइम स्पेंड करते हो, नेचुरली आपके स्कैल्प में बहुत सारा स्वेट बिल्डअप होगा जो इवेंचुअली it will make your scalp very flaky or it will result into dandruff. I will definitely recommend you this shampoo because this is my second purchase and so far I'm really enjoying it and it's really effective on my scalp at least. And the best part is that it is cruelty free, it is paraben free from any kind of SLS, and also it is derived from 100% actives. So far so good. This shampoo is performing really well for me. इसके साथ इसी का जोड़ीदार कंडीशनर भी आता है. I have not purchased that conditioner. So far this is working out really well for me and that is the reason I went ahead and I purchased a second bottle. The next beauty product is this concealer from Maybelline. It is the good old Age Rewind concealer. Now again, this is what it looks like on the inside. It's got a plastic cap and a sponge tip applicator inside. You need to turn it and the product comes out from the sponge. So this is a repurchase because जो मेरा existing Age Rewind concealer है, it is almost over. I think I can just make use of it 2 or 3 times, फिर मेरा कंसीलर खत्म हो जाएगा. So that is the reason I went ahead and restocked it. इसके बारे में मैं क्या ही बोलूँ. There are absolutely no complaints. It is a wonderful concealer. It is not very thick. It is not very thin. You can blend it very easily with your fingers, with the brush, with the beauty blender. It performs really well. It doesn't cake up, and the best part is that you do not feel that dryness at your under eye area because it is not very thick in nature. You don't feel that dryness at your under eyes, and it does the job of a concealer. Really love it, and again highly recommend this concealer. Next up is this primer, again from Maybelline. It is from their Fit Me range and this is Matte Plus Poreless Primer and it is suitable for normal to oily skin. I had launched 2 of the primers. There was this one which was suitable for the oily skin type, which was Matte Plus Poreless, and there was another one which was for the dewy finish. Now I really wanted that particular primer, but every time I went to put it in my cart, somehow it was out of stock. This is what the tube looks on the inside. Very sleek packaging. It's a plastic tube and you can take the product out from this nozzle. Now I really love Maybelline products, specifically from their Fit Me range. They have suited my skin type really well. So that is the reason I thought, because मेरे पास कई सारे products हैं from the Fit Me range, that is the reason I thought let me just give this primer a shot. However, अभी तक मैंने इसे use नहीं किया है. I'm super excited to use this and definitely look forward to using these in my tutorial. Having said that, when the dewy primer does come in stock and उसके ऊपर अच्छा खासा discount होगा, I definitely intend to pick up that, because of late at times my skin does feel extra dry and I do use a lot of matte foundation. So on those days it would be nice to have a little dewy primer underneath my base. Also मैंने कभी भी dewy primer try नहीं किया है, so I'm really looking forward to trying out that variant. But so far really excited to use this one. Looking forward to using this one and definitely will share the review with you all soon. Next up is this mascara, again from Maybelline. It is their Colossal Mascara. मैंने आपको अपने recommendation hall में बोला था कि if you ever want to try any mascara from Maybelline, you can firstly try any mascara, but if you are a beginner, definitely give a shot at this one. I remember 6-7 साल पहले मैं यही mascara use करती थी. It performs so well. उसका जो wand है, it's really thick. So this is in the waterproof version and I don't want to open it right now because एक बार mascara खोल दो उसमें air चली जाती है. So it is only good for 3 to 4 months. So I really want to finish the mascara that I have and then I intend using this. And the reason I picked up this mascara, because I've used it so much, I had no complaints, and suddenly mera dil kar raha tha I should go back to the good old Maybelline products, start picking up those, because really I started off with those. So no, well, I started off with Revlon products into the makeup, but yes, my collection of makeup definitely started with Maybelline, and I just felt that, you know, I should just go back to the good old products. So that is the reason I picked this up. And again, if you are a beginner or if you are on the lookout for a good mascara, definitely give this a try. I'm 100% sure that you're not going to be disappointed. So this mascara does the job of a mascara. It lengthens your eyelashes, it gives you that volume, everything that you're looking for. Once you know the right technique of applying the mascara, it is a beautiful mascara, no complaints. Definitely recommend this. So the next products are again from Maybelline. That's right, I went ahead and I picked up this pack. So when I picked up this Colossal mascara, I wanted to pick up the eyeliner. It came in a yellow pencil. तो जब मैं वो eyeliner ढूंढ रही थी, the काजल पेंसिल, जब मैं वो काजल पेंसिल ढूंढ रही थी, मुझे ये कॉम्बो पैक मिला. इसके अंदर वो Colossal काजल तो है ही, मगर साथ साथ में I also got the liquid liner. This is what the liquid liner looks like, and it is a very popular eyeliner. Somehow मैंने आज तक ये वाला liquid liner use नहीं किया है. I don't know why. And उसके साथ साथ I picked up the good old Colossal काजल पेंसिल. I remember at one point 6-7 years ago, यही काजल पेंसिल थी जो मैं इतना यूज करती थी. I always had one in my makeup pouch, in my purse. This is a kajal which I've gifted to so many people. मैंने कितने लोगों को recommend किया है. And I remember at that point इसमें एक sea green color भी आता था. Really nice. This is such a popular kajal, very user friendly. You can use it on your lower lash line, you can use it as an eyeliner, you can use it to tightline your upper eyelids. Really good, no complaints. So you see where I'm going with this. Suddenly I started feeling a soft corner for Maybelline, and I just started feeling that I should pick up the good old products that I used to use back in the day. So that's how I ended up picking up this Colossal range. ये भी मैंने बहुत use किया है, the mascara, the waterproof version. मैंने ये वाला भी बहुत use किया है. So अब मेरा जो current काजल है, that is from K Beauty in the shade Spade, that is also going to get over. So that is the reason I went ahead and picked up an oldie but a goldie. And this is the eyeliner to go with it. I think I'm just going to give you a quick swatch. Again, the best part is that the shelf life is really good, and this is good till 2023, and iski shelf life hai till 2024. So I have good couple of years to finish it, and I'm sure I'm going to finish it before the expiry date. This is what the liquid eyeliner looks like from the inside. And the bottle seems to be very small, and this is the wand. It's a typical brush, and this is what the swatch looks like. It is jet black and matte. So I'm really excited to give this eyeliner a try, because you all know I love my Lakme liquid eyeliner, but now that I've got this, I'm super excited to try this and give it an honest try. Also, अगर आप में से कोई eyeliner use कर रहे हो, please mention in the comments below how it is faring for you. Is it good? Is it not good? How is the longevity? I would love to hear from you. But yes, this is the swatch of the eyeliner. It's dried almost instantly, and it is jet black, as you can see. Now let's move on to this kajal pencil. So this is what the kajal pencil looks like from the inside. It is nice bright yellow, and again it is a retractable pencil. You don't have to sharpen it, just got to twist it. It's got a nice point, and again it is jet black, smooth, creamy, doesn't budge. I'm really excited to start using this good old product, and I just don't know why I stopped using it. I think ever since all these brands started coming in, and thanks to Nykaa, it started introducing us to so many local brands, indie brands, international brands, that the good old Maybelline seems to have taken a backseat. I remember at one point everybody and anybody was using Maybelline. Everybody just had to have Maybelline products and the L'Oreal products, and these were the good old drugstore products, easily available at a pharmacy, at a beauty shop. And ever since Nykaa happened, we got introduced to so many brands, and I think all these good old products just took a backseat, and we all just got so excited and greedy in trying on the new products, trying on the new brands, including me. So yes, that is the reason I wanted to just go back to a good old product that I really love. The next beauty products that I wanted to share with you all are the sheet masks. These are from the brand The Face Shop. You all know that I loved using sheet mask for my face, at least before the pandemic, and more than using them, I used to hoard so many of them, and eventually Kunal ended up using so many of my sheet masks. And personally, I am very loyal to the brand Dear Packer, and I had a lot of sheet masks from that brand. I had all the variants from the Dear Packer range, the home remedy range, and such a beautiful sheet mask it was. But somehow during the sale period मुझे एक भी mask नहीं मिला from the Dear Packer range, and unfortunately all my sheet masks are either over or expired. So I thought I will not hoard this time and just get limited sheet mask. And then the only next brand that I trust and have used in the past is The Face Shop. That is the reason I got these. Now they had a deal that if you buy 2 you can get 2 free. So I went ahead and picked up 2 from the avocado range because I have used avocado before and it is really good. Then I've picked up one from the rice water range, and one is a blueberry. I've used this one also, the rice water, really good. I have not used the blueberry, so I'm really excited to use this one. Having said that, I know there is a big debate going on that we shouldn't use sheet mask and it's not good for the environment. I totally agree and respect that, and slowly and steadily I will be going on that path and discontinuing buying sheet mask. But for now, this is what I got because this just provides an instant hydration to my face, because there are times for days together, even for a week, 10 days, I don't do any kind of skincare, nothing in the day, nothing in the night, and my skin gets so dry. That is the time I go ahead and use one sheet mask during the night, and it just gives me that instant relief, and that is the reason I really love these sheet masks. Now the last and the final product, a beauty product, is this one from Nivea. It is the Dark Spot Reduction Face Wash. Obviously this one is not for me, it is for Kunal, because his face wash is coming to an end and I thought it is a good time to restock. I'm sure that this is a really excellent face wash because this is the only face wash that he's been using for years, and at the end of the day it is from the house of Nivea, and we all just trust our good old brand Nivea. So that's it, this was for him, and this is the last and final product that I picked up this time from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. With that, this really small mindful haul from Nykaa's Pink Friday sale finally comes to an end. As you can see, I shopped really mindfully. Yes, मुझे बहुत temptation हो रही थी and मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें अपने कार्ट में डाली, but I really had to stop myself and बहुत consciously मैंने बहुत ही थोड़ी चीज़ें खरीदी है इस बार, जैसे कि आप सबने देखा. अगर आपको लगता है कि सेल टाइम निकल चुका है और आपके हाथ से कोई अच्छी डील निकल चुकी है, प्लीज़ डू नॉट टेक एनी काइंड ऑफ टेंशन, बिकॉज जैसे कि मैंने अपने पहले वीडियो में भी बताया है कि नायका विल कीप हैविंग दी सेल्स. और अभी दिसंबर और न्यू ईयर के टाइम पे दोबारा से सेल लगेगी. देयर बी अ सेल इन फेब, देयर बी अ सेल इन मार्च ड्यूरिंग मॉनसून. सो थ्रू आउट द ईयर नायका पे कोई ना कोई प्रोडक्ट पे सेल और डील्स चलती रहती है. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको कोई प्रोडक्ट चाहिए जो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक चला गया है, थोड़े टाइम के लिए जस्ट वेट कर लीजिए पेशेंटली, बिकॉज ये सारी डील्स दोबारा से आएगी, एंड देन मे बी यू कैन मेक अप योर माइंड एंड डू योर शॉपिंग एट दैट टाइम. So yeah, with that, this haul finally comes to an end, and so does the video. आप में से कोई ये products use कर रहे हो, let me know in the comments below how they are faring for you, and let me know what you thought about this haul. और इसी के साथ it's time for me to take your leave on this video right here. Until the next time, you know the drill. Stay extra kind and be your own kind of beautiful. Bye.